I'm gonna be putting on this wig from D.oryyyy. I honestly do not know how to pronounce the name. I got it off of Amazon, but it's a human hair wig. And I'll say the other details in a moment, but it's a bob. So they gave me this headband. I'm not a hairdresser, but you wrap this on the wig, the edges, and stuff like that. Yeah. The wig cap they gave me. Yeah. You gave some brushes. Card. They gave extra straps in case it's not tight enough. Oop, I almost dropped it. But straps to tighten it. This is the wig. First time taking it out. It feels nice. It looks like it already got a side part too. Look. They do, right? So in this part, I'm using the Black Panther edge tamer for my roots and edges. Fantastic. I'm using my own wig cap though, so I meant to wait to cut that. Oh my god. For the wig cap, I used the Got to Be glue spray because I like how that glue works on the wig cap better than the other glue. I can't see. I wear glasses, so I'm gonna have to do this. Like, all right. So obviously, as you could tell, I got the wrong fucking color of foundation, but I'm gonna make it work. In this part, I had already cut the wig cap, but I just was cutting the little pieces off and the side pieces that I didn't cut off. Fantastic. So it's a 100% human hair, quality 10A grade, material human hair, cap size adjustable, higher resistance to heat, barely tingle, hardly shed. And that was on the tag. And then it has wig maintenance tips. I put the wig over the wig cap with no glue. I was just using my head for the hot comb and stuff like that because I don't got one of those wig head things. On my wig glue bottle, it says to only do one layer, but I did two on accident because I read that after I did the second layer. Fantastic. Fantastic. Tie the strap on lightly so it's not all tight, the lace, when it's dry and shit.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic.
I'm trying this, seeing how this come out.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic.